Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Are you tired of guessing shipping costs? Use calculated shipping. Since calculated shipping on Etsy automatically charges buyers based on their location. How to do so? Including Shop Manager again. So all we want to do is access Shop Manager from the app, from the website. It's totally fine. For me, I'm just gonna go to Etsy.com. No. We're just gonna go through this website, login. Ooh, this is actually beautiful. Anyway, so as I told you, just log in using your email address and password to access your shop manager. As for now, tap on it, go through settings, then look for shipping settings. Create or edit a shipping profile. Then select calculated shipping instead of fixed price. Enter package weight and dimension. Then choose your shipment, basically company, carefully, then click on save. Now buyers see real-time shipping costs at the checkout. As for like a bonus tips, always measure package size accurately. Works best for physical products. Prevents undercharging for distant locations. So make sure you calculate every detail carefully so you won't lose money and the buyer would still be happy using your product. So always say it again, whenever you need something to change about your shop, all you're gonna do, go through Etsy.com, log in, then go through the shop manager, tap on settings. If it includes shipment, go through the shipping settings. If it includes any other thing, just go through their own option. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.